Make a slip knot on your hook. Yarn over and pull through, loop on the hook. So we complete first chain stitch. We insert the stitch marker in first chain stitch. Yarn over and pull through, loop on the hook. So we complete 2 chain stitch. Then follow the same method. We crochet remaining chain stitch. Scarf length is about 180 cm. We hook the chain stitch according to this length. You can put on the neck and compare it to make the length suitable for the neck. Beginners need insert the stitch marker in the first and last stitch of every loop. First, crochet 2 chain stitch. And start in the second chain, crochet half double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook through in the second chain loop. Yarn over and pull out. Then we have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. So we complete first half double crochet. Then follow the same method. We crochet remaining half double crochet.